Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 2009. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 2009 is a classic first-person shooter game that was released on various platforms, including PC. Please note that downloading and installing games from unofficial sources or pirated versions is illegal and violates copyright laws. It is essential to purchase and download games from legitimate sources such as official online stores like Steam, Battle.net, or the respective platform's official website. So if you wish to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 legally on PC, you can follow these steps. First, you need to purchase the game. Visit the or a legitimate online store such as Steam or Battle Pass and search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Purchase the game from the official store. Now, download the game. After purchasing the game, the platform will provide you with a download link or an option to add the game to your library. Download the game and using the platform's download manager. Now, install the game. Once the download is complete, run the installation file, which is typically an executable file with exe extension. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your PC. Now launch the game. After installation, you should find a shortcut to Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on your desktop or in your game library. Double-click on the shortcut to launch the game. Now activate or log in. Some games may require you to activate or log in using your account credentials or a product key provided during the purchase process. And lastly, update the game. After installation, it is a good idea to check for any available updates or patches for the game to ensure you have the latest version and bug fixes. So, always ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game before purchasing and downloading it. This will ensure that the game runs smoothly and provides an optimal gaming experience. Remember, downloading and playing pirated or unauthorized versions of games is illegal and unethical. Purchasing games from official sources supports developers and ensure you have access to legitimate updates and support. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!